Hello everyone, this is Subarna Shekhar, Doctorate of Advanced Educational Psychology and a Master Trainer of Advanced Philosophy and Sociology, fortunate enough to share 5 secrets of well-being. Okay, what is the first secret of well-being? The first secret of well-being is personal care. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself to make happiness a priority. Learn to love yourself to get anything done in this world. And the second secret of well-being is good health. And it is important to maintain and balance mind, body and soul. And health is a state of complete harmony of body, mind and soul. Right? Okay. To ensure good health, you had to eat lightly and you had to breathe deeply and you had to live moderately and you had to cultivate cheerfulness. Apart from yoga, meditation, you had to be physically fit. Physical fitness is the first requisite of happiness. Coming to the third secret, relationships. Good relationships, strong, healthy relationships. And you have to nurture your relationships. There is only one happiness in life, that is to love and to be loved. So always nurture your relationships, and strong healthy relationships, good relationships needs commitment, care, trust, responsible and respect. So always nurture your relationships. And the fourth secret of well-being is work and finance. Be productive. Never spend money while before you have earned it. So, and financial freedom is available to only those who learn and work for it. So, always be productive. And the last fifth secret of well-being is spirituality. And spirituality means you have to stay connected to Almighty God. It's okay if God pushes you to the edges of the troubles and difficulties. Trust Him. Trust His faith. And there is a chance of two things being happen. Either He will catch you when you fall, or else He will teach you how to fly. So always be connected. Stay connected to God. Well, to catch up all these 5 well-being secrets: personal care, good health, good relationships, work and finance, and spirituality, you need 7-lettered word. You need to connect with the 7-lettered word passion. Chase your passion now. Start chasing your passion now. So, great leaders' vision comes from passion, not from position. So, it is your passion that empowers you, and it is your passion that thrives you, and it is your passion that gives you progress, and it is your passion that gets you at work. And it is your passion that heals, feels and deals with toughest challenges. Start chasing your passion now. So to be well-being, successful human being. Thank you. Stay awesome. Stay productive. Signing off.